Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making cornbread, a sweet style cornbread. So the recipe is right down in the description box, along with miscellaneous cooking items for your convenience. So let's get this cornbread cooking. Okay, we have our stand mixing bowl with a sifter. We have 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to sift that. Okay, in a medium mixing bowl we have 1/2 cup of sugar. And now we're going to add 1/4 cup of butter, melted, somewhat cool. I just threw it in the microwave. Don't put this in hot. Let it sit for a little bit. We have 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg beaten, and to sweeten it up even more, we have 2 tablespoons of honey. And we are going to whisk this together. Here we have our dry ingredients. We have our mixer. We'll turn it on low, and we're going to pour in our liquid and give this a nice mix. There you have it, 30 seconds. That's all you need. Okay, we have an 8x8 baking pan, and we are going to grease it up real good. And now we're going to pour our batter into the grease pan. Give this a little shake to get this even. This is going to be put in an oven, 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. We'll test it with the toothpick, make sure it's done. Okay, I cooked it for about a ½ hour, a little bit longer than I expected. Came out dry, cooled for 10 minutes. You can see we're away from the edges very nicely. I'm going to give this a little cut. And this is coming right out. So that. And there you have it, sweet cornbread. All right, let's try it out. All that honey sets it right off. Very sweet. Definitely addition to a nice hearty meal. Yeah, nice and sweet. The texture's there, corn's there, corn flavor's there. Excellent stuff. Recipes down in the description box. And until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.